Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to give a quick summary of how to lose fat quickly, especially abdominal fat. You know, that little belly you've been carrying for so long. It's time to say goodbye to it. With the tips we're going to share, you'll start reducing that belly in record time. The goal here is to help you accelerate the fat loss process. Don't expect to eliminate fat in 2 months if it took you 30 years to accumulate it. However, if you follow our tips, in 2 months, people will already start noticing a difference. These tips are based on 3 pillars: diet, exercise, and metabolism. Let's start with diet. To lose fat fast, you need to create a calorie deficit. This means you'll experience a slight discomfort from hunger, but nothing too extreme. We'll show you ways to manage it. In your diet, you should focus on carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Carbs provide energy. Proteins help build muscle, and fats are essential for the body to function properly. All these macronutrients are important. What I'm going to suggest is a common pattern for calorie deficit diets. To achieve this, macronutrient calculations are based on body weight. For example, imagine a 60 kilograms woman and an 80 kilograms man. To effectively lose fat, both should consume around 1.6 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight, 1 gram of carbohydrates, and 1 gram of fat per kilogram. I'll leave a link in the description to access a complete meal plan, specially designed to transform your routine. With a step-by-step guide, suggestions for foods rich in proteins, carbohydrates, and healthy fats, you'll be ready to reach your goals in a practical and efficient way. Want to know how to maintain your diet without complications? Find out all the details now. Now, about salt intake. Don't overdo it. Salt retains water, and the recommendation is to consume up to 7 grams per day. A practical way to control this is to buy 1-gram packets, so you can spread them out better throughout the day. To help control hunger and anxiety, you might consider using 5-HTP, a supplement that helps stabilize serotonin. This can reduce cravings for sweets or intense flavored foods. If hunger strikes, you can opt for 250 grams of melon or watermelon, as they are fruits with low carbohydrates and high water content, which helps to fill you up. Now let's talk about exercise. Cardiovascular exercise like walking, running, biking, or using the elliptical is essential for increasing your calorie expenditure and thus losing fat. Start with a light walk and gradually increase the intensity. Try to walk briskly for an hour a day. If you're already comfortable, you can alternate with running intervals. High-intensity interval training, known as HIIT, is a great way to boost oxygen consumption and burn more calories even after your workout. This keeps your metabolism elevated for longer. Besides cardio, strength training is crucial for toning your body. As you gain muscle mass, your metabolism speeds up because muscles burn more energy than fat. Strength training 3 times a week is the minimum recommended. If you can go to the gym more often, even better. Finally, rest is an important pillar. Calorie restriction can affect sleep quality, so it's essential to try to sleep well to ensure your body recovers and continues burning fat. Sleep is the time when the body regenerates, and getting a good night's rest will help with the weight loss process. With these tips on diet, exercise, and rest, you're on the right track to eliminate fat and achieve your desired results. Let's go.